Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. Welcome back to round 2 of the display quality comparison test between the Huawei Mate 20X versus the Huawei P20 Pro. I hope you all enjoyed part 1 and the new display test series for 2019, but now it gets serious, as it's time to test out HDR functionality on both devices using Ultra HD HDR content. So there'll be a series of videos which have an option for high dynamic range. YouTube allows this HDR feature on what they call a signature device. A signature device supports application enhancements and fully optimized features such as high dynamic range amongst other things. The best part is both the Mate 20X and P20 Pro are YouTube signature devices. So it's time for me to test out which smartphone display outputs HDR the best. And the clips that I've used are phenomenal to compare RGB color accuracy, high dynamic range and display vibrancy. It's time to begin. Enjoy it and give your feedback at the end on which you think is the winner. Right, for anybody new here, I'll do a quick overview of the display specs. For the Huawei Mate 20X, we're looking at a 7.2 inch OLED display, and on the P20 Pro, a 6.1 inch AMOLED display. So settings, display, max brightness, color temperature is set to vivid, which will give us nicer vibrant colors. For the screen resolution, the Mate 20X is at Full HD Plus at 2244 by 1080. Now as you can see, we have an option to hide the notch. I'll leave this on default to see just how much the teardrop notch affects our overall viewing experience. And finally, there is Dolby Atmos support, which gives us high fidelity audio with 3 modes: Smart, Film and Music. Film is my preferred option as it gives the Mate 20X excellent audio quality through its top and bottom firing speaker. So for the Huawei P20 Pro, settings, display, max brightness, color mode and temperature is set to vivid like the Mate 20X. Again, we have the option to show or hide the notch. I'll keep it on default. For screen resolution, the highest is 2240 by 1080, making the P20 Pro a Full HD Plus display. And the P20 Pro also has Dolby Atmos support with the same 3 modes as the Mate 20X: Smart, Film and Music. Right, let's begin. So, resolution quality 1080p HDR for the Mate 20X, full brightness, and quality 1080p HDR for the P20 Pro, full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go. Enjoy. So let me hear your thoughts on this HDR display comparison test. Huawei Mate 20X or Huawei P20 Pro? Which display outputs HDR the best? Which would you choose and who do you think won? Is the Mate 20X outshining the P20 Pro with its outstanding 7.2-inch HDR OLED panel, or does the stunning 6.1-inch AMOLED display of the P20 Pro feel like the ideal size and smartphone? Have your say. There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. I hope you enjoyed all the clips as much as I did, so there will be a final display test coming to crown the winner, and I'll be releasing that very soon. As usual, I'll be conducting this display test series with all the latest smartphones, and of course I'm open to your suggestions. So stick around, trust me you don't want to miss it. But for now, who's your winner so far? Mate 20X or P20 Pro? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Peace.